L'chaim.
I've been thinking a lot about my real family. I have memories of them. And I want to know what happened to them.
Your children were apprehended. They are under the care and protection of the government now.
Magic never faltered. Magic.
That's where they take them.
Many stones were rolled, but God would not lie down.
You have to think to yourself, I'm saving these children from a life of poverty.
Stones, alive is in command.
I'm looking for family members.
Well, the thing is, your adoption file is sealed. But there is a note on your file that you have a sister, a Dora Mueller, who wishes to be contacted.
She doesn't live here anymore.
Do you have any sense of where I can find her?
There were, what, 27 kids taken from here?
Thousands from this region.
But magic would not tarry. It moves from arm to arm.
What's the right thing to do?
It was wrong. Magic is afoot. It cannot